Hey folks, get ready for some beachy fun in Southwest Florida. We've got 3 reopened beaches to show you, complete with drive and aerial footage. Trust us, these beaches have been through a lot, but Hurricane Ian can't keep them down or you from enjoying them. We'll take you on a tour, and our favorite is option number 3, so stay tuned until the end. Option number 1, South Fort Myers Beach. Around 3 miles south from Fort Myers Beach, Times Square. Fort Myers Beach has multiple spots open to visitors, but has few amenities. Keep in mind, we couldn't find a gas station open, so be prepared and bring all you need. There are some parking options available, but you have to pay via phone. Option number 2 is Little Hickory Island. Lee County is reopening beach parks by phases, so we will visit Hickory Island this time, but know that Dog Beach is also open to the public. As we were driving down Hickory Boulevard towards Little Hickory Island, it was really interesting to see how much stuff was still on the side of the road compared to Fort Myers. From the vantage point of the bridge, you wouldn't even know that a hurricane ever hit here. As we travel a little bit further, you can see where all of the debris from Hurricane Ian is bringing to one spot and piled up. It's quite a sight to see. If you prefer exploring the area via boat, as you can see, this area is still a boater's wonderland. There's plenty of dead fish you gotta watch out. Ooh, there's even this thing. Look at this. There's plenty of stuff to watch out for. There's some glass. Probably want to wear shoes if you're walking around the beach. It's open. You can come here. But probably not the beach you want to come to first, if you have other options. Our favorite option is Bonita Beach Park near Doc's Beach House. This beach reopened less than a week ago, and we're thrilled to see how many tourists and local businesses are starting to pop up. Parking is convenient, but plan to get here early. They have jet skiing and other water activities as well. get good food and drinks from the food truck. We have visited this lovely beach many times pre-hurricane, so we were particularly excited to see it open. Fort Myers Beach food trucks and pop-up shops are trying to service the area. Parking is limited, but there's more parking near the Margaritaville construction. You'll have to pay for it, but the businesses need your support, so go and have fun.